How to sell on Facebook Marketplace for beginners. Hi there, today we'll learn how to sell on your Facebook Marketplace here to make sure that all your products can be sold even nationwide or worldwide here with Facebook. So what you can do is log in into your Facebook account first, and here you can see on the left side panel there's a lot of options or features of Facebook. You just click on Marketplace, and here you will be able to see or browse a lot of products that are being sold here. So you can also click on this icon here. This will also lead you to marketplace or Facebook Marketplace. So here you can browse all products from appliances to appliances or gadgets. You can even browse a property here or even vehicles as well. This actually covers the product that you can sell here on Facebook Marketplace. So here, let's go ahead and go over with the features that you can do or things that you can do with Facebook Marketplace. So on the left side panel, here are a lot of options you have here. So you can look into the notifications, the inboxes that you may receive from a product that you may purchased or for a product that you have sold. So here you can search on the search box a product that you want to specifically look for. And here under notifications, if there's any informations that you have received, you will be able to view that there as well. So here under buying, you can see or browse the products that you have purchased here on the marketplace. And here on selling, this is where you will be able to create the product listing here for your Facebook Marketplace. But before we create our product listing, we just need to go over with how you can filter uh, with searching the product, and you can even modify the radius of the location that you want the product to cover for your Facebook Marketplace. So here you can also look into categories on where, or if you want to look for a product that you want to sell, you can browse into what is the most popular product and what is the most popular item that is being sold by that specific customer. So here you can browse a lot of informations from apparel, vehicles, gardening, hobbies, office supplies, pet supplies, a lot more, or a lot of items that you can definitely search for, and you can even sell it yourself as well here on Facebook Marketplace. So for us to begin, we just need to go back to the marketplace homepage. So you can go back and click on the marketplace icon here, and then you just click on selling, and then you just need to click on create a new listing. And so here there are three types that you can list. So you can sell an item that you have, or you can sell a vehicle, or even you can sell a property or a house, or even um, properties that you want to be leased. So when you click on one of the options that you are provided, you will be routed into this page. So what I chose is item for sale. So for example, here on the center, this is where you can preview on how your product or how your Facebook Marketplace would look like. So you can add image here on the left side panel. You can add the image of your product that you will be selling. You can add a photo or a video of the product, and after that you are required to input the title of the product. So for example, this is for an iPhone 13 and 12 phone case with a floral design. Then you can add the pricing, or how much do you want this product to be sold for. Then you can choose what category this belong. I just put it on gadgets, and then I'll have it under mobile phones. Then once you have chosen a category, you can look into condition, like is it a new product or is it a secondhand, or is it a used product? And here you can input as well what is the compatible devices that this product can be used for. Currently, the iPhone 13 and 12 is not available yet, so let's just choose iPhone 11. And then you can, these informations are just optional here on the part that I'm filling out. So if there is no watch band material, you can just opt out for that. And then you can input a color. You can just put a clear case with a floral design. And then you can add the product description as well on what are the features of this product and what are the advantages and disadvantages of the product that your customers can use for. Okay, so once here you can click on list as in stock, so you have a lot of stock for this, so this is not only a one item that you can sell for. You can add product tags, and you need to make sure that you also add a location for this so that you will be able to proceed with publishing the product that you are listing. So here you can view, you can browse or preview the product that you are listing here on your marketplace. So you can actually just click on the recommended location that you have here, since that would automatically, so you can just click on next, and here you have the option to join into different groups where this would actually help you sell your product as well, since they can share and they can help you widen your audience or your customers as well. So if you decide to join a group, you can join a group, but you can do it later on, and then you can just click on submit or publish rather, and then there will be a pop-up whether you want to boost your listing. So this is an option where you can allow or let Facebook boost your product, so they will be able to share and post your product anywhere, but that may come with a cost. So you may need to pay for boosting the product listing. So here you can see that the product has been listed into our Facebook marketplace. You can see here the you can also have it a list view or a grid view. And then here on the left side panel, you can see on the seller dashboard on what or how much product you are left, or what's the status of the product that you have listed, and announcement. And here you have the commerce profile, so that's your profile which shows your product that you listed. And that's about it. That's how you will be able to sell on Facebook Marketplace. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.